pinakalas. No more ice cream. Two rare color. Nice. Hi, Ben Sibugay. Magic flower. Good morning, Sir Ben. Nice. That's really nice flower. I forgot what is the name of that. Yeah, I'm eating one scoop of ice cream every day. That's enough. No, it was only last night and then today. Tonight, sorry. You know, sometimes if I feel so hot, okay, Sir Ben and Sibugay, thank you so much. Balikan ko po kayo. Monetize ko po kayo. Sige, sir, balikan po kita mamaya, sir. Pinasok ko na yung video mo para nasa ano ko lang, history. I keep the plant single petal but it gives different flower in photo. Wow, nice. I wish I can plant more flowers here also. Because I have only money plant here. Here I cannot plant more. I have only indoor plants now. Only the money plant. I just bought it from my colleague. Saan po kayo, Sir Ben? Nasa Pinas po ba kayo? Even orchids promote, you can take orchids also. Orchids also is very nice. Ay, I forgot to put this one. Can't you see I love you? Dito po sa Pinas ngayon, baka next year ako pupunta sa ibang bansa. Okay, Sir Ben. First time mo ba mag-apply abroad? Good luck, sir. Good luck sa pag-apply mo.